Hello, today we will guide you through how to export docs from Claude AI. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is the main workspace where you can access your conversations, projects, and any documents connected to them. If you are already signed in, the page should load directly. If not, sign in first, then return to the New Chat screen so you are in the right place before continuing. Once you are on the New Chat page, look to the top left area of the screen for the sidebar icon. This icon opens the navigation panel, which is where Claude keeps your chat history, saved items, and project sections. Click the sidebar icon to expand that panel. If your screen is smaller or the sidebar is collapsed by default, this step is especially important because the content you need may not be visible until the menu is opened. After the sidebar opens, scroll down through the list until you find the sample project labeled Create 4D. This is the project that contains the file you want to export. Take your time here and read through the project names carefully, especially if you have several items in your sidebar. Scrolling slowly can help you avoid passing it by. Once you locate the correct sample project, look for the file within it that is available to download. When you see the file, click on the download option. This will begin the export process for the document. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or your browser may ask you where you would like to save it. If prompted, choose a location that is easy to remember so you can access the document quickly afterward. If the download does not seem to start right away, give it a moment and check your browser's downloads area for progress or any blocked download notification. In some cases, pop-up or download permissions can affect what happens, so it is helpful to keep an eye on the browser interface. And that's it. You've successfully located the project and used the download option to export the document from Claude AI. After the file finishes downloading, you can open it from your computer and use it however you need.